Hey guys, welcome back to ARCHI Tools. Today I will be discussing about a pro tip which is relevant to pyRevit and which helps us to work on multiple projects at a time and also in order to differentiate it. So let's say I have opened two projects. One is this one and this is another project which is of a residence. So while working, you might open a number of tabs over here, right? So since two projects are open, it is very difficult to manage uh, the projects tabs which are open, and we might get confused for that. How we can cater this? There is a very good option in pyRevit of tab coloring. So if you select on this here, you would get a particular color to a particular project, as you can see right now. So the top parts are colored. So in this way we can make sure that the orange ones, the tabs which are open, is related to this project, while the black one is for the other project. Also, going into a little depth of that, how we can manage this, we can do this by going into drop down arrow, and in this settings there's an option of UI UX. In this, when you go down, there's an option of tab coloring. If you want, you can colorize open documents. So by clicking on this, this is the order. As you may have noticed, this is the same order according to which the colors have been made in the tab. So in case a third project will be open, blue color will be assigned to that. You can add it or subtract it based on a requirement. Similarly, for the families, there's also a different type of border. So we can also change the project tab style. This is top border light. You can select background fill. I like this one to particularly highlight the projects. So you can use this option also and keep the family tab style for in this or any other. You can choose whatever you like and just save settings and reload. In this way, you can open and work on multiple projects at a single instance of time without getting confused on multiple tabs opened. Hit the like and subscribe button if the video has given you a valuable insight. Keep learning, keep growing.